Okay, guys and girls, so we're going to go ahead and continue our unit review. So now we're going to look into solving equations and then also our exponential growth, decay, and compound interest. So first off, with logarithmic equations, remember that if we have logs on both sides, these ones are really easy, like 29. You can just go ahead and eliminate the logs. I'm just going to give you kind of the intro, but I'm not going to complete the entire problem. So this one I could set up 5x plus 7 equals 2x plus 31, and that was because I had a single log on both sides and they had the same base. Okay, sometimes you won't have a single log on one side. So for example, in 31, we have two logs on this left side. We have a single log on the right side. So I have to combine these using my log properties. So first I'm going to take this 1/2 and pull it into my exponent. Lucky for us, we know that the 1/2 power is actually the same thing as the square root, right? Power over root, so a root of 2. So square root of 36 is just 6. And then what we're able to do here to get it so we actually only have one log on this left side is we have addition. So let's combine it with multiplication. 6 times 3k plus 7 is going to be 18k plus 42. And see how now we have a single log on each side? We can just set 18k plus 42 equal to 132 and solve from there. So remember, I didn't finish this guy. I'm going to leave that up to you. Okay, so another situation that might occur is we only have a single log on one side, like in 33, right? And then we don't have a log on the other side. In this scenario, we actually have to use our exponential form to help us out. If we go ahead and rewrite this in exponential form, which is our base raised to the power equals our answer, right? 2 to the 7th is just going to be, I think, 64, but I don't want to say that and get it wrong here. Oh, no, sorry, it was 128, so it's good we checked. And then you can just go ahead and solve from there to get your answer. So once again, this one wasn't finished either. Okay? And then when it comes to exponential equations, we have two options. We either can rewrite everything so it has the same base, or we can use logs to solve. So if you notice, you can rewrite everything with the same base. Like here, I know that I can rewrite 64 as 4 to the 3rd. So now I have a base of 4 on both sides. And remember, you do got to multiply that 3 to the x and the 7. Then I can actually just set my exponents equal and solve. So once again, I didn't solve the entire thing. You got to finish it off. But that was how you do that guy right there. If you notice that you do not have the ability to write a common base, what you have to do is first isolate your exponential term. So I'm actually going to do 38 because 37 is a little easier. So I'm going to add 11 to both sides. I'm going to divide by 2. And then I have 3 to the 4y power equals 36. I can't rewrite 36 with a base of 3. So instead, I'm going to take the log of both sides. And what that gives me the ability to do is take this 4y and pull it out in front. So I'm going to move up here. So I'm going to have 4y times the log of 3 equals the log of 36. And then I can just divide by the log of 3. Remember, all this stuff, the log stuff, we can use our calculator to find. So log of 36 divided by log of 3 is 3.2619. And then we can divide by 4 to get our answer. I got something like 0.8155. Right. And then to finish off, I'll be quick on this one. I'm just going to give you our formulas here. We have exponential growth. Remember, that's just going to be something that looks a little like this right here. We're going to have A equals A. So that's our total amount is going to be A times 1 plus R to the T power. A is initial amount, R is growth rate, T is time. Exponential decay looks really similar, but we're going to subtract that R value. And then compound interest, we're going to have something that looks like this. Remember, you're going to see the word compound if you're going to be using that formula. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is complete numbers 29 all the way up to 44. Okay? And then we are going to go ahead and give you guys another quiz tomorrow. Okay? So be prepared for that. Okay? Hope you guys have a great day. See ya.